Hey guys, Steve here with the free trade for Wednesday, August 6th, 2014. We're going to take a look at EXPE. EXPE was a stock that was on our weekend update, not from this past weekend, but the weekend before, and it actually triggered on Friday the 1st. So if you're not following the weekend updates or not viewing those, I definitely recommend you take a look at those, only for the reason that a lot of our basis for our trades are coming from the weekend update analysis and our watch list that we develop in the weekend update. So just to stay on track of everything, that's definitely a good resource to take a look at. But EXPE triggered on August 1st. So what we were looking at was the trend line here on the weekly chart. Again, the top chart here is the weekly, and we were also looking at it breaking this consolidation area. Okay, it consolidated on the weekly, and then it broke through it, and then it moved sideways again. And that sideways action is actually, these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bars here. So 5 weeks represents on the daily chart this area here. All right, so now what's happening is, again, on the daily chart, we're getting a nice trend line higher, and we're getting a breakout from that little consolidation. So it looks like it's ready to resume its movement higher. So what we're going to do is we actually set our alert on a close above 82 in the weekend updates, and our initial stop was 76. So what we're going to do is take the position on Monday morning. And again, I know you guys are viewing this on Wednesday, but this is just to show you the process that we took. So we're going to take a position on Monday morning, and essentially to size our position, what we're going to do is we're going to take whatever our entry point is. So for right now, let's say it's 84.50, and we're going to take our initial stop loss level, which doesn't have to be down to the 76. We're actually going to put it at 77.40, because then what happens is you have from 77.40, you have the 50-day moving average and the trend line support. So all three of those would have to break in order for us to be invalidated on this trade. So again, figuring from 84.50 to 77.40, that is $7.10. So we're risking $7.10 per share. And then what you would do is to size your position accordingly. You would take whatever your account size is. So say it's $100,000 and you want to risk 1%. So you're going to risk $1,000 on this trade. So you're going to take $1,000 and divide it by $7.10. And you're going to come up with 140 shares. So that's the appropriate position size you should take. Obviously, everybody's situation would be different based on their portfolio size and the amount they're willing to risk per trade. But that's the way you would size the position. And like I said, 77.40 is our stop. Our entry would be Monday morning, which hasn't happened yet. And then, we would wait until we got a break of 77.42 to be invalidated from the trade. So with that said, guys, hopefully you're following along. We're going to do this free trade video again next Wednesday. So it'll be, instead of every day like it was, it's going to be every week. And we'll kind of update you weekly on the trade and see what happens. And obviously I'm going to record them when the actual break or trailing stop moves up. But this way, the easiest thing to do is, instead of being so repetitive with the trade like we were with ADM, it's going to be much more of a once a week type of update. And I have other free content on the other mornings to kind of keep you busy. So hopefully you're checking that out. And if you're not, definitely subscribe to my channel on YouTube. Follow me on Twitter, StockTwits, and Google+, and subscribe to the nightly newsletter, which will also have a link to this video as well as the strategy session. So with that said, guys, have a great night, or have a great day, actually, and make sure you check out the strategy session tonight. Take care.